We wanted to make the ASRS as simple as possible to install. You literally drop it where you want it, and you can immediately start using the robot to program it. There is some electrical integration required to get the cobot communicating with the CNC machine you're trying to run or automate. It requires, some electrical engineering to wire up the CNC, because you got to know what relay to pull from the CNC. You want to make sure the M codes are working. So there is some integration engineering required for the initial install. But as far as using the ASRS and the cobot, anyone can learn that. For our shop, most of our machines are very similar, so we were able to figure out the best way to do that integration. And by the end of it, when we started installing these over and over, we were able to install the ASRS in front of our mill in less than a day. And that's like interfacing the robot with the mill, getting the robot and the ASRS communicating. Like, we were able to streamline that process very well. So changing jobs, it's a matter of swapping out your finger on your cobot and then swapping out your trace. And once you start programming the robot and saving your programs, you can just load up a previously saved program for that part and you're going. So less than 5 minutes. Now, if your part changes and it's a brand new part, you got to write a new code, position new points, and reconfigure that into the machine. So 10 to 30 minutes, sometimes more if it's a complicated process. It varies heavily CNC to CNC. Once the machine's set up and running, the machinist, all he's doing is jumping station to station, checking each of the parts on the robot. They love that because it really reduces the repetitive tasks and the amount of time they have to spend on that job. It helps them, maximize their efficiencies.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.